Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one we have a new item, and this is the Spectrum C-stand wall or door rack. It can be mounted on any flat surface and it's perfect for studios, a home studio or a rental studio, or also on location grip trucks. So it comes in two parts. The base supports up to 6 C-stands, and this is where the legs are positioned. And then the top cradle here will support the center column of those C-stands. There's also metal loop provisions here that allow you to attach a bungee cord to securely strap the C-stands into place. It's important to note that multiple C-stands can weigh in excess of 40 kilos. So it's important to install this racking system onto a sturdy flat surface that will ensure that it can maintain the stresses of having to mount and remove the stands from the rack. If you're unsure on how to install this securely, we suggest to consult a qualified professional to perform the installation. This is a typical situation in a studio environment where you'd have C-stands all mounted up against each other, occupying this amount of floor space. So it's taking roughly about 1.5 meters and about 80 centimeters of space, whereas the C-stand wall or door rack would occupy only about 45 centimeters or so away from the wall. And this is when all the stands are collapsed. The installation process involves mounting the base at your preferred height, then using a level and pencil to ensure straight mounting. Drill screws into the wall until tight. The base should be solid with no movement. Place your C-stand onto the base and slide the top column up to its desired height. Mark your first hole with a pencil. Remove the C-stand and then use a level to mount the top hanger straight. Make sure both the base and top hanger are securely mounted. Now it's time to load up your C-stands. Use a bungee cord to secure. So we've saved a significant amount of space as compared to when it was out on the floor there. And it's been reduced down to approximately 45 centimeters off the wall and about 55 centimeters wide. So that was a look at the C-stand wall mount bracket, which is a convenient and tidy solution for home studios, professional studios, and on-location grip trucks. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the C-stand wall mount bracket. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.